So this is gonna be a quick get ready with me. I have my natural hair straightened, kind of, sorta. It doesn't really get that straight, but I'm about to see if I can do a slick ponytail. My hair is really thick. It's really thick, so I don't know how, like, I know what I want it to look like, but I don't know if it's gonna look like that, and if not, then I'll just have to do something with my hair, which I don't feel like, so hopefully it works. And sorry if I'm looking this way. I have my mirror right there, like, so I'm sorry. I left my shampoo in your shower. Like my hair, boy, I think my forehead is like, but in the back it's sticking up, which is mad annoying. See, even that is like still really thick. Yay! Okay, wait. Okay. Now I got this lump in the middle of my head though. Still has color on the ends. I didn't want to put color in a bun. I use this net just so you can't really see it. But I don't, that's probably gonna make it bulkier. No? Yes? No? I feel like adding layers just makes it bulkier. But I don't know. I guess I won't know till I try, so let me just do this. Eyebrows. I'm really not putting on that much makeup just because I haven't worn makeup in about 2 weeks. So when I don't wear makeup for a long time, my skin is just pretty well off. And so I'm only gonna I put NARS concealer under here in the shade, I think it's medium or caramel, one of those. Caramel. I don't really like putting a lot of makeup on when I put makeup on my forehead, it's like a lot. So I'm really going to just do my eyebrows, probably eyelashes and lipstick. I mean, I'll just kind of wing it because I haven't worn makeup in a long time, so like 2 weeks is a long time for me. So I'll do it so you can see it a little bit. And my eyebrows aren't perfect, but I think that makes it look more natural. And then like right here, I keep that part short, and then I just like, I draw a line underneath and just follow the natural curve of my eyebrow. Then I just go up and I kind of just brush it within and just follow that along. Some days my eyebrows look better than others, so I don't know how this is gonna look, honestly. I guess it just depends how dark I make this. I don't like it too dark. And I go like around it, like right underneath it. And sorry, I have stuff on my bed, but like right underneath it. And then I kind of trace it. And that's where you kind of like go and make the shape of your eyebrows. And I just put the line right there. I don't like doing it all in the middle. That's just me though. And then I can kind of determine how thick or how whatever I want to make it. Then I just take my finger. Even if I were to use my makeup brushes, I usually take my finger for this part because I don't like having that harsh white line. And then I just blend it out a little bit. And I like my tail to kind of come down. I gotta see the other one because this one is like my natural eyebrow and it's still like a little, and then you can just kind of touch it up. I really like this one. This one, yeah, I just need to sharpen it just a teeny tiny bit. I think that's as even as I'm gonna get it right now. That's pretty decent though. This one's more sharp. It looks good with this ponytail. But okay, whatever. I know I'm making ugly faces, I'm sorry. Alright, cool. Do I want to contour today? My family is loud, y'all, I'm sorry. My family is loud. I wouldn't be surprised if my family just bust in my room, so sorry.
A few moments later.
Say welcome to Shay's channel. You can come in.
Where's my son at? What doing? Hello.
What are you doing?
Man, we out, we riding out. About to go shopping or something. I don't know.
See you guys later.
Yeah.
I'm so tired. You went to... You are so dramatic. No. What are you tired for? I'm saying. Because once... Cut the camera. You're so weird. Boy, can't see nothing. Hold on a second. I should have lit this a little bit more. Shay'auna has a kilowatt in like... I don't know if it's like lipstick or lip gloss or something, but I need it, whatever it is. Ooh, you can see it now. Look at it. Wow. I gotta blend it out though, because it's kind of patchy. I know what I want.
Every time I get turkey, it ain't got no flavor.
Put some hot sauce on it.
I eat some.
Eileen is making cornbread. Oh, that's what she's doing. You know, Eileen's cornbread is really good. She has a designer bag.
Oh, I did look.
Did you see that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. She has her spices in the designer bag. I thought that was funny. Okay, so I'm wearing my... I don't know if you guys can see. My sister and my cousins and stuff came in here, so I have stuff all over the place. But I'm wearing my orange sweater with like 2 little gold bracelets, gold necklace, my nose ring, and then my pants are gray and it has these little frills on it. Do this little thing. Since I'm in my own house, I'm probably not even gonna wear shoes. I'll probably just get either some black socks, or I think I have some cheetah print socks that I think would be really cute. But I didn't use setting spray, and I didn't use any setting powder, but I mean, it just, dewy is okay because I'm in the house, so it's whatever. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I don't do these videos too often, but I might, just depending. I just thought I'd do it because it's Thanksgiving and my family's texting me and telling me to come downstairs. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I hope you have a great holiday season. Bye.